Welcome to this bedtime back flexibility. Let's do some cozy stretches in bed for your back before you drift off to sleep. I invite you to start with me sitting up in bed. You can sit any way you'd like on any part of your bed. And we'll ease into the practice with some gentle circles of the body, going one way. You can put your hands on the bed. You can put your hands on your knees. Getting some movement throughout the spine and the back. Circle the other way. Really gentle movements before we move into some stretches. And then pause for a moment. Take one nice inhale in. Lift your arms above your head. Exhale, let them go. Amazing. Join me in a long sit on the bed. If your hamstrings, the back of your legs are feeling tight, you can always grab a pillow, place it under your knees for some more support. And I invite you to take a moment here in this long sit, maybe feeling some stretching throughout the back, and maybe feeling stretching in the legs. Bending as far forward or leaning as far forward as you would like. Maybe rocking a bit side to side. Tuning into your breath. And as you tune into the breath, see if you can relax the back or relax the body a little more. And when you feel like you've had enough of a stretch in this shape, keep the right leg straight, but bend that left knee. Bring it closer to your body here. And then once again, you can stretch forward, get a stretch throughout the low back and the hip. If at any point this feels like too much, you can always come out. And once again, tune into your breath and see if you can relax the body. Release the jaw. On your next breath, come on back up and repeat on the other side, bending that right leg now. You can stay upright, you can lean forward, whatever feels good for your back and your body. Sinking into the shape, tuning into the breath. On your next breath, if you're leaning forward, you can come on up. And I'll be switching into a child shape, so you can join me in a child shape on your bed. Your knees can go as wide as you would like or as narrow as you would like, and just bring your hips back towards your glutes. Your arms can go forward. You can rest on the bed and relax. And just notice that stretch throughout the back. And if you feel called to, you could go up onto the tips of your toes and lean back. So you're getting a little bit of a stretch in the feet as well as the back here. Find what feels good for your body today. Either version is totally fine. Taking one more deep breath in this child shape. And when you're ready, coming onto your back. Getting even more cozy in bed here. Can keep the knees bent and just gently windshield wiper those knees side to side, a bit of a stretch. Throughout the low back, a bit of a twist, going as far as feels comfortable. I always hope when I'm doing exercises from bed that my cat comes and joins us, but if you have cats, you know that they have a mind of their own. Maybe she'll come say hi. If you would like, you can take your right knee, bring it up to your chest, get a little bit of a low back stretch here. Maybe bring both up. Nice low back stretch, rocking side to side or gentle circles. Dropping that right leg and just having the left one tucked in. And if there's any final movements for your back that are calling to you, you can do those now. If not, you can get nice and cozy lying in bed. However you'd like. If you're a side sleeper, maybe you want to go on your side. If you're a back sleeper, you could stay on your back. Spend a moment here focusing on your breath. Feeling that surface of the bed beneath you sink into the surface further. Allow your muscles to rest here. Take a nice deep breath in and yawn it out. Even if you don't have to yawn, make a yawn sound. Inhale. Mm. You can rest here as long as you would like, sinking in to the mattress, cozying up in bed. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.